All right, so good morning, guys. Yesterday I promised to teach you how to buy coins using Trust Wallet, and then also using what's it called, uh, Pancake. Okay, Trust Wallet plus Pancake. Okay, sorry about that. Plus Pancake. Okay, Pancakeswap. All right. So for instance, let's say I drop a particular new launch, just like you're seeing on the screen now. This particular coin was launched 2 days ago, and the name of the coin is Kingdom Coin. The Kingdom Coin, okay, and the short form is TKC. All right, and this is the wallet address. This is the contract address, okay, of the coin. Now, if I drop this sort of coin here, what you need to do as a newcomer is simple. Copy the contract address. I will always drop the contract address alongside information. All right, so I'm not a stingy person. I will drop the contract address. So what you need to do, for some of you are confused and don't know what to do, is to copy the contract address. I've already done that here. So I'll just copy this contract address. Add to Trust Wallet. Go to Trust Wallet, okay? Now this is like a test account. It's not my major account. All right. The next thing you need to do here is you look for browser, okay? Right here you see browser, so you click on that. Okay, so when you click on browser, what you're expected to do here is simple. You need to click or type the pancakeswap.finance. Pancakeswap.finance. Right here I have it. Okay, pancakeswap.finance. That's what you need to type. So here I will not type Pancakeswap, or let me just do that. Pancakeswap. Okay, Pancakeswap dot finance. All right, Pancakeswap dot finance. That's all you need to type there, and then you click send. Okay, it's right there in your somewhere around your phone. Just click send. Okay, so now it's going to open that page. Okay, so what you need to do here is simple. You need to connect your Trust Wallet, right? Let me move this away. You need to connect your Trust Wallet somewhere around there. So this, yeah, say connect. Okay, so you connect your Trust Wallet first. All right, so you go through the process of connecting the Trust Wallet. You have two options here, but go for that of Trust Wallet. So you connect the Trust Wallet by clicking on that. Yeah, if you have multiple accounts on one Trust Wallet account, it's going to appear right here. Right here I have the test account. Okay, and then I'm going to click, this is the test account, and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so I click on connect. Now the system is connected, okay, to the Pancakeswap is another platform, but you can connect it with what is it called here, Trust Wallet. Okay, so yeah, you need to scroll down. You don't need much in here. Okay, allow everything to pop up finally before you go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Okay, don't allow anything to convince you here. They're just there. There are a lot of things that happen in Pancake. Okay, so I'll all right, so I just click on trade now. Okay, so I click on trade now. Okay, so let me click it again. Click on trade now, and then allow the system to navigate to the trading the trading platform. Okay, so allow the system. Sometimes this takes a little bit of time. It's going to change immediately to Okay, so if it does not change immediately, click on start earning, and so let's click on start earning. And again, one other thing you need to do is to try and have what is it called? Try and have a phone that is fast. Okay, because that happened to me when I started using this platform. You need a fast phone, okay? So take note of that. All right. Okay. So I think this is getting slower. But then this is what I do in most cases if it does not move. So I go back to the URL and type, click on. So I think what you will need to do here is to look for buy cake. Okay. I'm looking for that button somewhere that said buy cake. Sorry, my phone is actually hanging. I think it's the software for recording this screen that's causing this whole thing. So I'll just drop a little bit down and look for buy cake somewhere here. Okay. So I'll just click on that. Alright. So I'll click on buy cake. But mind you, the software I'm using to record this screen is actually taking a lot of space. Alright, so I'll click on that. I'm trying to click on it. It's not. Is it back there? I may have to stop that software that's recording the screen. That's what is causing this whole thing. So I click on buy cake again. Or I'll probably just pause it and click on it. That software is actually taking a lot of space. Alright, so let me just pause it and click on it. It's gonna open. I only wanted to show you. Let me just pause it and. Alright, so what I did here is to click on buy cake. Just scroll down. You see that, okay? I'm clicking on buy cake, and this is going to navigate to a section where you can do swapping of your coin. Okay, so I didn't teach you what to do initially. The first thing you need to do is to at least purchase a stable coin or one of this coin called BNB. Okay, a stable coin like USTD, you can purchase it because we're going to be doing swap. Yeah, okay. For instance, you purchase like $20 worth of BNB. Okay, so you can swap it to whatever coin that I have somewhere there. Let's say for instance I have the kingdom coin, okay, or the Sonic Ino that I talked about. All right, so you can swap it there. So how do you swap? I'm gonna go back there to my WhatsApp again. All right, so this is the coin that I talked about, the contract address of this coin somewhere here. Where is the coin? All right, so this is the coin here. So this is the contract address I talked about. So I go back because I've copied the contract address. I go back to Trust Wallet, and then I'm going to already what you would do with the first one is try and then where you have your funds. Right here, I don't have money here, so it may not actually go. Okay, I don't have funds there, so it may not go. So ensure you first of all set the first one to BNB or USDD. depending where you have your money, okay, depending the coins that you have your money. So yeah, I'm going to be setting it to BNB. Now here is where you have to change it. I'm talking about the second slot here, where this is where you click this small circle there. This is where you change that the whole thing to the coin that sent the contract address I gave to you, okay. So here is where you're going to type the contract address. Even if you have to type Kingdom coin here, it may not appear, but when you have the contract address, copy it right there and paste it here, okay. You paste it here. So here the system is going to look for that contract address wherever it is and pop it up. As you can see below, this is the contract address here, okay. The system was able to pop it out using the contract address, right? So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to click on this. Sorry, I'm going to click on this to for Pancake to pop it up here. Now I don't have much funds here to swap my BNB or USDD, so I use BNB or UXDD, okay. And the USDD must be BEP 20, okay. Is it PEP or BEP? I say PEP 20, okay. Not TRC 20, okay. I'm not sure if TRC 20 accepted here, but I've tried using the TRC 20, not working. So BEP 20 is Sure Banker, all right. So right here we have a Kingdom coin. You can also do other coins too, not only Kingdom coin, you know. So I have the Kingdom coin, yeah, the Kingdom coin, yeah. So I will just have to type the amount I want, but yeah, I don't have enough funds here, so it may not actually go. So I can, if I have $10 here, 10 BNB, let me even change this one to so that we'll understand what I'm trying to say. Let me change it to TRC to USDD. So let me change to USDD so that some of you will flow proper with this. So okay, so I have my USDD BEP 20 here, but no funds there. Like I said, this is a test account, okay. So I can just type here, if for instance, let's say here where you see balance, okay, here where you see balance, if you have fund in your USDD, the balance will show right here, okay. So but because I don't have anything here, it may not show. So let's say for instance you have $10 balance there, and you want to buy $10 worth of TKC, okay. So you're going to type $10, all right. You're going to type $10 and let's see the figure you're going to get from this. So it means that your $10 will buy you 106 numbers of TKC worth of this amount, okay. So $10 will buy you 106 coin of TKC, okay. So your $10 is going to buy you 106 watts of TKC, all right. So when you do that, the next thing you do, as you can see below, the system is saying I don't have insufficient Trump. So this transaction may not go through because I do not have that amount to buy this. So this is exactly how to buy from Pancakeswap, okay. And in most cases, the system will tell you, even if you have enough money, the system will tell you your slippage tolerance is not enough. So there, what you need to do is to click this small icon right where you're seeing it, okay. So when you click it, you need to change this figure here to a higher one, okay. And when you now try it again, if it didn't go, keep increasing it until the stuff, the whatever accepted to swap that amount of funds that you have there. I just hope you get this. I don't know how to stretch it again, but this is exactly how I buy these funds from Pancakeswap using the Trust Wallet app. So guys, this is exactly how I buy funds from uh, Trust Wallet using Pancakeswap, or Pancakeswap using Trust Wallet. Guys, if you're watching this from YouTube, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. Bye.